Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and don't forget, if you are using the Microsoft Authenticator app, it's extremely important to understand that the password manager side of it is going to stop working July the 1st. So some of you, if you're using it, might now have a message that will pop up. Microsoft has started to pop up a message that's like this: autofill via Authenticator ends in July 2025. So it says that you can export your saved info passwords from the Authenticator with autofill ends access, and until autofill ends access passwords and addresses via Microsoft Edge at any time. So you can just make sure that you transfer the passwords and all that information, especially if you're kind of not really sure what the passwords are. I don't know why Microsoft is doing this. A lot of people have been complaining, saying, well, you know, what does it change? Why are you actually stopping the password manager side of the Authenticator app? So Microsoft really not very clear on that, like so many things that they aren't very clear on. But just remember that if you are using the Authenticator app for this purpose, you will start having this message appear on your phone or tablet as the deadline approaches of July the 1st, 2025. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.